Okay. Did you read the instructions? Come on, 1 quart. Okay. Okay. Enough? Is that enough?
I think
Put a little bit more. Okay.
that's 1 quart.
Okay. What else you will need?
I need vegetable oil and
Yes.
three large eggs. Oops.
Okay.
Oopsies. Guys.
Milk chocolate brown.
I.
That's fine.
I'm gonna teach.
Where's the other cheese? Where's the other cheese, Mom?
Egg snack? Johann.
I look like
Shell?
a cat. A cat. I said, ow. I look like saying, ow. Ow.
Oh, where's the cheese?
She's in the fridge.
Alright. Oh, it says large eggs. Large eggs.
Keep up! Keep up, boy!
2, 1, 2. And oil, 2. 1,
1
2.
half.
1/2.
I'll show it to them.
Okay.
Okay.
No, God.
Can you tell them?
There's there's
1 half cup.
Vegetable oil.
Okay.
Here we go. Go.
Okay.
Go oil.
Ready to go, guys?
I don't give up.
You don't give up.
Yeah.
Okay. And
And pan. Oh, mixer, please.
mixer.
Yeah. Mixer cake.
Mixer cake.
This mixer cake.
Okay. You need scissors?
Yeah, I know. So,
Okay. Oops. Make sure that you don't. Okay.
whoops.
That's okay. It tastes like chocolate. Okay, pour in. Finish all. Finish it. Okay. Okay, one more time.
Mixer, please.
Okay, wait a minute. Very good.
How much?
Come on.
What should I put? It's starting to turn brown. Wait.
What are you doing? Oh my goodness, it tastes good.
Yeah.
Okay, say it now. You have to mix it well.
Mix it well. I think it's all done.
You think it's all done?
Yeah. Is it done?
I think it's done. Okay. Yeah. Very good. Yes. There you go.
Go fast.
Very good. Okay. Pour. How is it? How's the taste?
Good.
Sorry. And now, you says it's ready to put in the oven. Natin yung oven. Kapag ready na yung oven, ilalagay na natin itong ginawa ni Johann. There you go.
You have to be super careful.
Here.
How can I put this in the middle?
Yeah, there you go. There you
scared,
go.
scared.
Okay. Very good, Johan. Guys, ito na yung ginawa ni Johan. At sabi dun sa instruction, tusukin daw natin siya ng toothpick. Kapag malinis na yung toothpick natin, ibig sabihin, luto na siya. Malinis ang toothpick natin, guys. It means, okay na siya. Yay! Brownies na gawa ni Johan, guys. Dahil nanonood sila sa taas. Ayan na siya, guys. Pinapalamig ko na lang. And, ito na. Dahil nanonood si Johan ng TV, dadalayin ko to sa taas. Ito na siya, guys. Yung brownies na gawa ni Johan. Yes.
Off.
How is it?
It's off.
Yummy? Thank you for watching, guys.